topics.
Now we will discuss about enumeration. So enumeration defines a column that accepts a small fixed list of values. Okay, that means when it will be useful means when a field should only accept a limited set of options like status, gender, category, like that. Okay, so these kind of situations, enumeration denormalized data type will be used. Okay, so these are the denormalized data type, like what we have discussed on yesterday, composite data type and arrays, JSN. So this is enumeration is another kind of denormalized data type. Okay, so why it is used means to maintain data integrity. That means only allowed values can be inserted. Readability more descriptive than numeric codes. Performance wise, it is better. Okay, and simplicity. No need to store. No need to have separate lookup table if the list is small and stable. Okay, so first we will check with the example, then this enumeration concept we come to know. Okay, first see this. So here go to this. After tables you have types. Okay, so I'm going to create one enumeration data type like department value. Okay, so here check select enumeration and here give some values 10, 20. Okay, and go to this. Here the enumerated data type is department, DEPT val. Now create one table like Enum employee. Okay, and here employee number integer and DEPT number. Here I am giving DEPT value. That is already we have created that type DEPT val. Okay, in the DEPT val we have inserted 10 and 20. Okay, so we have added 10 and 20 department numbers. Okay, so that values only while inserting the data into this table, that values only will be accepted. Okay, so I'm going to create a table has been created. I'm going to insert into emp enum underscore emp, and here employee number DVT number and values 1, and here I am giving 10. So we need to give string 1. Okay, and select star from enum underscore emp. So see, department 10 is inserted. Now if you are trying to insert 11, then see invalid input value for enum DPT val. Like go to this DPT values. So here we have clearly mentioned that 10 and 20. Okay, while inserting these two values only will be accepted. Okay. So otherwise this error will come. See, you can have 1, 2. Okay. And how to add one more DEPT number means you can go to this design properties 30. Before that, try to insert 30. So it will throw error. And now save it. Now execute it. You will not get any error. Okay. 10, 20, 30. Okay. And see, I want to add a particular department number. I mean, new department number at a particular position. Okay. So you can write the query for that. Alter table not table, I think alter type. So this DEPT value exists in types, right? So alter type. What is that? DEPT value. Okay. So add value party before 10. So give the quotations. Okay. And you can check and see. For checking also, we can have a query like enum underscore range of null. This is the syntax for that. And here you can give DEPT value. See, party exists before 10. Okay. I want to insert new DEPT value after after 20, like 50. You can check after 20, we will have, sorry, here after we need to mention after 20, we 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. So I want to have department number 60 after 20. After 20, I can have. Okay. And same thing. See, here we can have department number in the form of array. Okay. And we have seen that how to convert that array into rows. That means unnest. We have seen this in previous session. See, like that we can have. Okay. Now you can check 40 also will be inserted. Okay. And go to this design. You can have that DEPT numbers. Okay. So checking, adding, all are completed. Okay. So this is about enum. That means here, if I create one enumeration for a particular column, that means first of all, we need to create one type, enumeration type. Okay. And then that take that type name and give it to the department number. I mean, a column. Okay. And then you can insert data, but that data should be according to the type value, enumeration type value only. Okay. So while designing also, you can see that. See here, I'm going to create one table and T1 table, and here you can add, for example, DEPT number. See, DEPT val. Okay. After creating the type, okay, it will be populated this data type drop down. Okay, whether it is normal DEPT value or array DEPT value. Okay, you can select it and then you can save it. Okay, so this is about enumeration. Okay, so mainly it will be used for data integrity purpose. Only allowed values can be inserted. Okay, for this purpose, this enumeration will be used.